Every day, carry gear isn't just about looking cool, it's about having tools that actually make your life easier when you least expect it. Let's check out some of the best EDC gear and gadgets on Amazon in 2025 that are perfect for urban explorers, outdoor enthusiasts, or anyone who likes being prepared. First up is the ESCO Light UV Flashlight, a compact but powerful black light with 51 LED bulbs and 395 nanometer wavelength. This little gadget is perfect for detecting pet stains, dog urine, or even bed bugs, which most people don't think about until it's too late. Users love how bright and consistent the UV light is and how lightweight it feels in your hand or a pocket. It's a handy tool for cleaning, inspections, or even just showing off hidden stuff at home. Whether you're a pet owner, a parent, or just someone curious about the unseen world, this flashlight is surprisingly versatile. Next, we've got the Kaiser Drop Bear EDC pocket knife, which packs a 2.97-inch Nitro V steel blade with a smooth thumb stud opener and clutch lock mechanism. The acrylic handle feels solid yet stylish, and the knife is perfect for camping, hunting, fishing, or even daily tasks like opening boxes or cutting ropes. Users rave about the blade sharpness straight out of the box and the ergonomic handle, which makes it comfortable to hold even during extended use. It's also compact enough to carry everywhere, making it a great gift for both men and women who want a reliable, high-quality EDC knife. If you're tired of fumbling through your pockets or bag, the Maxpedition Beefy Pocket Organizer is a game changer. Made of durable 1000D nylon and MOLLE compatible, it's perfect for storing small tools, pens, flash drives, or survival gear. Users love how well-structured the compartments are, allowing them to organize everyday items without them getting tangled or lost. It's compact yet surprisingly spacious, and whether you're hiking, commuting, or just want your gear neatly stored, this organizer makes everything easily accessible. For those who like to keep it sleek and minimal, the Ridge Wallet is a must-have. This slim RFID protected front pocket wallet comes with an integrated cash strap and can hold cards without bulging your pockets. Users appreciate how sturdy and durable it feels, made from high-quality materials like matte olive titanium, and how it prevents RFID theft while still being easy to use. It's perfect for anyone who wants a no-nonsense wallet that combines style, protection, and functionality in a compact package. Finally, the CRKT M1601KZ folding knife is a rugged, reliable blade with a stainless steel plain edge, liner lock, and glass-reinforced nylon handle. It's designed for tactical, outdoor, or everyday tasks, and users love the balanced feel, smooth action, and secure pocket clip. From cutting rope on a hike to opening parcels at home, this knife handles it all. It's also a great choice if you want a knife that looks serious but performs even better, making it a staple in any EDC collection. So there you have it, the top EDC gadgets and gear of 2025. Whether you need a blacklight to reveal hidden messes, a sleek wallet, or reliable knives for work and play, these tools are all about function, durability, and everyday readiness. Having the right gear isn't about being flashy, it's about being prepared for anything.